Have you ever wondered why more often feels like less? We live in a world where we are constantly told that acquiring more things, more relationships, more experiences will make us happier. But does it really? This is where the concept of minimalism comes in. Minimalism is not about owning less for the sake of owning less. Rather, it's about making room. Room in your home, room in your life, room in your heart for the things that really matter. It's about reducing the noise so you can focus on what's important. It's about finding freedom in letting go of excess, in saying no to the unnecessary. And the benefits: less stress, more focus, more freedom. It's time to simplify and declutter, not just your physical surroundings, but your mind and your life as well. Join us as we walk you through 12 minimalist rules that can drastically improve your life. Rule number 1, own only what you love. This rule isn't about deprivation, it's about cherishing those things that genuinely light up your life. Every item you own should bring joy, value, or both. It's about making your surroundings a reflection of your best self. If it doesn't spark joy or make your life easier, why let it take up your space? This principle encourages mindful ownership, curating your world with things you truly adore. Love it or lose it. Rule number 2, one in, one out. This principle is striking in its simplicity. For every new item that graces your space, bid farewell to an old one. It's not about creating a vacuum, but rather maintaining balance. This rule ensures you're not just adding to the clutter, but replacing it. It's a conscious way of curating your belongings, and by extension your life. It's a dance of give and take, a rhythm of replacement. Keep your life clutter-free, one item at a time. Rule number 3, quality over quantity. This simple yet profound principle can drastically change your life. It's about choosing things with a high standard of craftsmanship, performance, and durability over items that are inferior but plentiful. You see, a high-quality item, whether it's a piece of clothing, a gadget, or even a book, not only lasts longer, but also provides a more satisfying experience. It might cost more up front, but in the long run, it saves you time, effort, and money spent on replacements. It's about appreciating the value things bring into your life, not the volume. So, the next time you're faced with a choice between a handful of cheap items or one high-quality one, remember that it's better to have one bird in the hand than 10 in the bush. This approach extends beyond physical items. It's about relationships, experiences, and even thoughts. Choose better, not more. Rule number 4, schedule white space. Picture a canvas, filled edge to edge with color, shapes, and lines. It's vibrant but chaotic. Now imagine a canvas with just a few intentional strokes of color and a lot of white space. It's serene, balanced, a visual sigh of relief. Your life can be that second canvas. Scheduling white space in your day isn't about being idle. It's about creating room to breathe, to reflect and recharge. It's about respecting the rhythm of life that requires both activity and rest. White space is where our minds wander, where creativity sparks, and where we tune into our deeper thoughts. It's an incubator for ideas, a sanctuary for the soul. It's not empty time, rather, it's enriched time. So, take a step back from the hustle and gift yourself moments of tranquility. Doing nothing often leads to the very best of something. Rule number 5, single tasking is king. Ever feel like you're juggling 1,000 tasks at once? It's a common sensation in our fast-paced society, but here's a secret. It's not the best way to get things done. The human brain isn't designed to multitask. Instead, it excels when focusing on one task at a time. When we single task, we direct our mental energy towards one endeavor. This leads to increased productivity and a reduction in stress levels. The task at hand receives our full attention, resulting in better quality work. This approach also allows us to be fully present in the moment, encouraging mindfulness and reducing the risk of burnout. We become more aware of our actions, our thoughts, and our surroundings, promoting a sense of calm and control. So, the next time you're tempted to multitask, remember this simple mantra: do one thing at a time and do it well. Rule number 6, declutter regularly, not just once. Now you might be wondering why we insist on this. It's because minimalism isn't just a one-time spring cleaning event, it's more of a lifestyle, a mindset. And this mindset encourages us to continuously reassess the things we own and the value they bring to our lives. You see, our lives are dynamic, constantly evolving. What was important yesterday may not be so today. Regular decluttering sessions allow us to keep up with this change, to keep our spaces and our minds clear and focused. It's a lot like gardening, really. You wouldn't just weed once and expect the garden to remain pristine forever, would you? The same logic applies to our homes, our workspaces, even our digital spaces. So remember, regular decluttering is key. It helps us maintain a minimalist lifestyle, fostering a sense of peace and focus. Make decluttering a habit, not an event. Rule number 7, stop chasing busy. In our constant pursuit of productivity, we often forget to live. Being busy doesn't necessarily equate to being successful or fulfilled. The constant hustle can leave us drained and disconnected from the world around us. Take time to slow down, savor the moment, and truly experience life. It's about finding balance, about understanding that there's more to life than ticking off tasks on a to-do list. Remember, life is a journey, not a race. Rule number 8, embrace digital minimalism. This is not about shunning technology, but rather, it's about using it with purpose and intention. Picture your digital world as a serene space, free from the clutter of endless notifications and mindless scrolling. Digital minimalism is about reducing digital distractions, so you can focus on what's truly important. This means, rather than checking your emails every 5 minutes, allocate specific times in your day to do so. Consider applying the one-in, one-out rule to your apps. For every new app you download, delete one that no longer serves a meaningful purpose. Also, reflect on your online interactions. Are they meaningful? Are they enhancing your life, or merely serving as a distraction? Embracing digital minimalism is about understanding that while technology can add value to our lives, it should not dominate our lives. Life is happening offline. Rule number 9, create a capsule wardrobe. This is a collection of a few essential items of clothing that don't go out of fashion. Think classic whites, blacks, and neutrals. These can then be augmented with seasonal pieces. The beauty of a capsule wardrobe lies in its simplicity. It reduces decision fatigue, freeing up mental energy for other more important decisions in your day. So embrace the elegance of simplicity. Dress with less, and you'll always have something to wear. Rule number 10, say no more often. The power of no is transformative. It's not about being negative or uncooperative. It's about setting boundaries. It's about respecting your time, your energy, and your limits. It's about understanding that you cannot do everything for everyone, and that's okay. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you. So, dare to say no, and watch as it frees you from unnecessary burdens and commitments. Remember, no is a complete sentence. Rule number 11, prioritize experiences over things. This principle is a cornerstone of minimalist living. It's easy to get caught up in the consumerist cycle, where the joy of a new purchase is quickly replaced by the desire for the next. But the truth is, material possessions don't bring lasting happiness. Experiences, on the other hand, expand our horizons, enrich our understanding, and create memories that last a lifetime. Whether it's a breathtaking sunrise, a meaningful conversation, or a journey to a place you've never been before, these experiences shape us, change us, and stay with us long after the moment has passed. They contribute more to our happiness and personal growth than any item we could buy, so invest in experiences. Go places, meet people, learn new things, live fully and fearlessly. After all, life is a collection of moments, not possessions. Collect moments, not things. Or rule number 12, embrace financial minimalism. This is the art of living within your means and deliberately choosing to spend on what truly adds value to your life. It's about avoiding the unnecessary expenses that often clutter our financial lives. Picture a life free from the burden of financial stress, where every penny is spent purposefully. It's not about deprivation, but liberation. Financial minimalism helps you to focus on what's truly important. Spend less, live more. Finally, remember that minimalism is freedom. It's the ticket to a life less burdened by the things that don't matter, and a passport to a world where what truly matters takes center stage. All of these points converge to one truth. Minimalism is less about having less, but more about making room for more of what matters. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.